Two AI coding tools, both powerful, but only one will save you hours every day. First, OpenCode. This is a terminal-based AI coding agent designed for developers who want full control. It supports multiple AI models like Claude, GPT, and local LLMs, meaning you can customize everything. Plus, it has a clean UI and works across terminal, desktop, and IDEs. Best for developers who want flexibility, customization, and a powerful coding assistant. Now, Goose. Goose is an open-source autonomous AI agent built by Block that doesn't just suggest code, it actually executes tasks. We're talking running tests, fixing bugs, and even handling full code migrations automatically. It's also model agnostic and runs locally for privacy. And here's the crazy part. Companies using Goose report saving 8 to 10 hours per week. So what's the difference? OpenCode equals smarter coding assistant. Goose equals autonomous coding worker. One helps you code, the other codes for you. So which one wins? If you want control, go OpenCode. If you want automation, Goose is the move. But if you're serious about productivity, you might end up using both. Follow for more AI tool breakdowns that actually matter.